Hey everyone, welcome to Good Old RVing. I'm Greg, and I'm going to be talking about my dishwasher today. And so, for those that already know, I picked this up for Christmas for my wife's present and mine, of course. And it's all set up. It comes with everything you need. Just plug and play. The only thing is, I'm in an RV, right? What countertop are you going to use to put it on? Okay. So luckily I built a rolling table, and so it's really working out good. And this just sits on top of it for now. I'm going to strap it down later on when we start to travel. But yeah, so it has a quick connect right here. I keep it wrapped up so it don't leak water everywhere. But here's a quick connect right here, and this little red button is a pressure release. And my issue is I replaced the faucet in my kitchen, so it no longer has the not strainer, diffuser I guess you call it, that you could unscrew from your faucet and screw in the adapter for the quick connect to go on. But my bathroom still has that because I haven't replaced my bathroom faucets yet. And so I have to roll my dishwasher into the bathroom every time I want to use it. So every day I'm rolling this thing into the bathroom. I'm going to show you what I go through. Not fun, but I'm coming up with a solution, and if you stay tuned for my next video, I will show you my solution. So here we go. I'm going to show you my daily routine here. Okay, this is the adapter that comes with the dishwasher, and as you see, it screws in. You had to take this out right here. You can see how the water's beating this up pretty good. But you had to take the screen out, and this screws in its place. And that's for the quick adapter. That's for the quick adapter on the dishwasher. Okay, so every time I want to wash dishes right now, I have to find a way. It's not that hard. It's on wheels. I just need to roll it over here to the bathroom. Okay, so from here, I take this, plug it into this GF ground fault interrupt circuit plug. Then this is the quick connect right here. Just simply attach it right here. Okay, twist that any way I want, but that's okay. Then just turn the hot water on like that. Okay, after that, just turn the power on right here, and then you start it right here. Okay, I have to do that every day to wash dishes. And for those of you that are wondering how loud and noisy it is, well, listen carefully. Okay, now you know. Okay, so now you can see clean dishes, the soap dish is open, and so as a reminder for me, I put when this is closed, it's filled with dirty dishes, because it'll automatically stay open after the dishes are clean. And so that's just a reminder to me, and I always put fill before closing, so you know that it already has soap in it. It has a little snap lock right there that I'm sure, there you go, just like that. And this is for your rinse. You just have to be sure that stays full, and it'll help dry your dishes. Okay, so this is the clean dishes right here. It's a good machine, works great. I'm liking it. All the interiors, walls and stuff are stainless steel. The blade that goes around in circles, everything works good. I have no complaints about it. The only complaint I have is one I caused myself. Which is what I already showed you. How I have to roll back and forth. So what I'm doing is I am simply hard plumbing drainage into the kitchen area right here and adding a dishwasher adapter into my drain pipes, and then running the drain and the hot water to the side of my counter space. And I'm going to leave this right up against the counter, and it'll always be plugged into the drain and hot water, and so it'll just be like having a built-in dishwasher, and no more rolling back and forth to the bathroom. And if it's ever in the way in the kitchen, like I said, it's on wheels, and where I'm hooking it up, I'm making it so you could detach it there, and it'll be good to go. So stay tuned for my next video, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing the dishwasher drain adapter onto my drain pipes. Alright, talk to you soon. Have a great day and stay safe out there.